Okay, the best way to think of a ratio, where you've got a ratio 4 to 5 for example, you can think of that as 9 parts. You've got to split whatever you're looking at into 9 parts. Okay, so one of our numbers is 60, so 60 can either be on the 4 side or the 5 side. So if we take the 4 side first of all, and we put 60 there, and we need to know what the equivalent will be for the 5 side. Well, if we're splitting it into 9 parts in total, then in this case the 60 side will be 60 over 4, so each part will be 15, and therefore the 5 side will be 75, which is 15 times 5. So one of our answers will be 75. However, if we put 60 on the other side, then we're saying the ratio is still 4 to 5, but in this case 60 is going to be here. So if we're saying now that we're splitting 60 into 5 parts, well, 60 over 5 is 12, and therefore this side will be 12 times 4, which is 48. And the ratio will still be 4 to 5.